So let's start with the biggest point of failure for me is team accountability. Who owns your solution? So you come to Stone Ridge and you say, hey, Stone Ridge, we want to implement D365. Please help us. And we say, we would love to. And we do an EPR with you. We have a look at your business. We scope out the size of the project, and we tell you we're going to have a project manager. We're going to have a solution design manager, probably a financial consultant, a production supply chain dude. You're going to have a tech person. There may or may not be a dev person involved. And so we bring all this experience, expertise, and people to you, and then we say, you guys need to own the solution. Because experience shows that if the customer does not drive the process, if the customer is not 100% fully invested in deploying their business, it will fail. Whenever I'm at a customer and the customer's like, we're too busy to try and solution this, can you guys go figure it out and then just demo it to us and we'll tell you if we like it or not? My hair goes on fire, because that continuum of ownership of the final solution is now Stone Ridge's. And as much as we love our customers, we are not you. So we talk about partnering, and I talk about being the person who holds up the road signs and tells you where to go and turn left and turn right, and you'd better slow down, as a way of a guide versus a complete, side-by-side, cheek-by-jowl partner. If your team, if your steering committee, if your project implementation team, if your project manager is not 100% invested in delivering their own solution for their own company, the project is going to fail 100% of the time. This is not a vendor's show. We don't get to rule it. You need to be bossing us around.